Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are feeling great. My name is Shade. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I make this delicious couscous. And if you don't love eating couscous, trust me, after watching this video, you are going to fall in love with couscous. So if you are interested, continue watching and let's get started. For this recipe, I'll be using 1.5 cup of couscous. I'll be needing some chicken broth, so now I'm going to pour in the chicken broth into the couscous. I'll make sure I stir everything together. Then I'll cover it. I will set it aside. Allow it to double in size. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That is just the only way you have to support this channel. And remember to set that notification bell icon to all. That will notify you anytime I upload a new video. So now I'm going to be marinating my shrimps. First, I will be adding some salt. I will add some garlic. I'll add black pepper. Then some fish seasoning. And I'm going to make sure I mix everything together. Then I will set it aside for about 5 minutes to marinate very well. Here are the vegetables I'm going to be using. I'm having some green beans, some yellow and green bell peppers, carrots, onions, and some zucchini. I'll be needing some pepper, butter, and olive oil. So now I'm going to be adding some olive oil to my pan. Then I'll add a little amount of butter. The butter is optional. If you want, you can add butter. If you don't like, you can just use just the olive oil. And you can as well use any oil of your choice for this recipe. So it's time for me to stir fry the shrimps. I'm just going to pour in the shrimps. Then I'll make sure I cook each side for about 2 minutes because you don't want to overcook your shrimps. I'm just going to flip the other side. Then I'll leave it to cook for another 2 minutes. Then the shrimp will be ready. So now I'm just going to take the shrimp away from the pan because as I said before, I don't want to overcook this shrimp. If not, you lost those juiciness from the shrimps. Here are the shrimps. I'm just going to set it aside. In the same pan, I'll add some olive oil and some butter. So now I'm going to add the onions. I'm just going to stir fry the onions for about 1 minute. Then I will start adding the other vegetables. The green beans, the zucchini, the yellow and green bell peppers, I will add the pepper. So now I'm just going to stir fry this vegetable for about 5 to 6 minutes because I don't want the vegetable to be too soft. I want to feel that crunchiness when I'm eating the couscous. So now I just add black pepper, then I'll add seasoning, and I'm going to add some salt. And I'll make sure I stir everything together properly because you want all the ingredients to mix together very well. So guys, here is our couscous. As you can see, the couscous has doubled in size. I made 1.5 cups and I'm going to be making this for 5 people. So you can use this to regulate your own if you want to make couscous. So I'm just going to stir the vegetables. Then I'm just going to be adding the couscous into the vegetables. So I'm just going to stir fry the couscous and the vegetables for about 3 minutes because I don't want the vegetable to be too soft, as I said before, because I want to feel that, that crunchiness of the vegetable. So guys, give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section. So now I'm going to be adding the shrimps. Then I'll make sure I stir everything together. Then it's done. So guys, as you can see, it's very, very easy to put together. And if you have watched to this moment, thank you so much. I really appreciate. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. And also remember to set that notification bell icon to all because that will definitely notify you anytime I upload a new video. I'm just going to test it if everything is okay. So I love you all guys, and I'm going to see you again in my next video with another recipe. Stay safe and take care of yourself. Ciao. Bye bye.